Hello and welcome back. Lecture 2022, Outcomes 5 and its criteria. In this lesson, I will discuss the structure and understanding of how to answer the questions. Well, I've said certain things many times. For instance, to say to you, go back to video 1 as it lays out the foundation for all the other videos. Now, in this outcome, please just be practical in the way that you answer, how you're going to demonstrate clear communication. Okay, let your answers speak to what you have already done, and that will be dictated by the industry that you come from, because the industry you come from is the one which dictates setup that you will find yourself in. So what do I mean by that? For example, you can't be talking about using the Gantt chart if you're not a project engineer or project manager. Okay, I'm not saying that you can't use a Gantt chart if you're in other industries, but for this example, it's just for you to say, for me to say, don't say things which really do not correlate with the industry you're in. Okay, like another example, you can't talk about going on site if you work in the office setup, unless you're saying you're going to do inspection. You can't talk about mining stakeholders when you work in the defense industry, unless you're talking about mining of detonators. So just make sure that the things you say, the reviewers are not going to be confused or have some misinterpretation of what you're saying. Okay, so the point is just remain practical and stop trying to be something that you're not. Be that which you are. You've already won this application by just being who you really are. So this is the end of this lesson. I've still left an example for you to download, right? And thanks for your attention. I will see you in the next lecture. Let's press on.